In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently download an Excel sheet or workbook to your computer. Whether you're working with Excel for the web through OneDrive or Office.com, or using the desktop app, I'll walk you through the steps you need to follow for a smooth download experience. Let's dive right in. First, let's cover the process for downloading an Excel workbook when you're using Excel for the web. You'll often find yourself accessing Excel online through OneDrive or Office.com. To save a copy of your workbook directly to your local device, start by opening your workbook in your browser. Navigate to the top left corner of the Excel interface and click on File. Once the drop-down menu appears, move your cursor to the Save As option. After selecting Save As, you'll see an option labeled Download a Copy. Go ahead and click that. After you click, you might be prompted with a message asking if you'd like to save the file. Simply choose Save to initiate the download. The file will then be automatically downloaded to your default download folder on your computer. Typically, this is your Downloads folder, but it could vary depending on your settings. You can either open the file directly from your browser's download bar or locate it through your File Explorer if you're on Windows, or Finder if you're using a Mac. This method allows you to have a copy of your work offline, ensuring you can access and edit it even if you won't have an internet connection. Now, let's move on to the Excel desktop app. If you're working in the desktop app and want to save your workbook locally, start by focusing once again on the File option located in the top left corner. Click on it to reveal another drop-down menu. From here, choose the Save As option. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can dictate where on your computer you want to store your Excel file. You'll see options such as This PC, along with various cloud services. For a local save, select This PC. You might also be presented with a Browse option. Click Browse to open a File Explorer window where you can manually select any folder on your computer or even an external drive. Once you've chosen the location, you'll need to name your file. It's a good practice to give your file a descriptive name to make it easy to locate later. Finally, click the Save button. This action will save the workbook to your chosen directory. And there you have it. Whether online or offline, setting up your Excel workbooks to download to your computer is straightforward. Just remember these steps and you'll have access to your files whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy Excelling!